Hey, 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 what is going on, heroes? Today is day number 13, and we're going to be talking about creating a social media presence that is effective. And so, why is social media so important to your online presence? Well, I want you to think about social media just being a way to really grow and engage in the community. And so for like local businesses, it's the opportunity, as we start, getting them more likes and more engagement, it creates that real loving and fuzzy feeling with their followers, that they're a real business and there's somebody in the community that they would want to do business with. And so, the importance of the social media platforms is that there's so many people that are on social media every single day, and it would be crazy not to take advantage of it. Now, if you go over to Google and you look up, statistics for, businesses that use social media, you'll see that, there is some pretty impressive stats for when businesses start taking advantage of social media. And so the big question is, how do you get content, right? Because that's the big thing about social media is you're always posting videos and articles and, images and GIFs and so many different types of content. Well, how do you get it, right? Well, number one, I would always encourage, your client, the business owner, to put content out themselves, take photos of their customers and successes that happen, or if they're a landscaper, take photos of the work they just did, maybe help them a little bit with their photography skills, send them a quick video. You can do it yourself. So and by the way, I wanted to say, one of the big things I always encourage my clients to do is go live on Facebook. That's big. Facebook is going to reward people for going live. So definitely maybe talk to your client about that. But if they don't have the time, if they're not willing to do that, the next best bet is, if this is a business that is maybe, within 30 minutes from your house, 15 minutes from your house, just go in there with your cell phone or go in there with a nice camera like this, like a DSLR, and go and take the photos yourself. The thing that you have to do is you have to think, okay, what am I trying to capture for this client? If it's a jiu-jitsu school and their target audience is like little kids, I want to get a bunch of photos of like little kids doing cool things that parents would say, would make parents say, man, I want my kid to do that, right? And then finally, you can always curate other people's content. So you can go and get stock photos, you can go and get really good articles from other websites using Real Specific. But obviously having unique content that really pushes, the beauty of your client's brand is going to be best. So, that's definitely something to do. So don't be afraid to go in there, take some photos, some videos with your cell phone and be able to use those for, years to come. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video, and make sure to log into the training dashboard today and take some massive action. Later.